Hello, Kuro!
Hi, Toby, nice to meet you.
Me too.
Come on. Do you want anything to drink?
Oh, yes, please. Can you give me a cup of coffee?
Yeah. The other day I was watching a documentary from the 1992 Expo, and this was very interesting. You also appear as the pet that represented this exhibition. When was Sevilla the venue from the Expo?
To begin with, Sevilla proclaimed itself the venue for the Expo after Chicago, gave up this great opportunity. This happened on October 12, 1986. Then Sevilla began to prepare for the event.
What was the change in Sevilla before and after the Expo?
Before 92, it was a city anchor in its past. It was a circulatory cause. It had an impact on the urbanism of the big city by opening new spaces. The most essential change was the opening of the river, where its main sports section began, such as sailing, rowing, canoeing, and swimming.
How interesting! I don't know anything about your great appearance at the Olympic Games, so tell me, what did the Olympic Games mean for Barcelona?
The 1992 Olympic Games represented a transformation of the city of Barcelona and Catalan society. The transformation came from the new foreign movements, city and companies. In addition, some of innovations appeared, such as the promotion of the practice sport and volunteer that meaning installation in Catalan society.
Oh, the truth is that our city have had a great change regarding these events.
By the way, Curro, what was the reaction of the Sevillan to this news?
Okay, let me think. Sevilla lived it with joy, but with some uncertainty, since they knew that this event was going to take place there. The capital of Andalusia had the highest unemployment rate in the European community. Therefore, the Expo took it as something positive, since it was going to give many jobs, since it was going to spread the image of Sevilla throughout the world. The end of the wars made people begin to trust in the development of Sevilla.
By the way, Kobe, last year I was in Barcelona and I would like you to explain to me how the infrastructure of Barcelona changed after the Olympic Games.
Yes, that's true. Is that a large number of works were carried out in the city taking advantage of the opportunity of the games. An attempt was made not to make this mistake of the edition that exclusive to their service, but to make changes in the city that would have required future use. Several examples are the remodeling of the nervous building and affecting and opening to the sea.
Well, the truth that is that the intention is good. However, the only thing that is used today is the island of La Cartuja, where currently more than 2,000 million euros are built. Research centers, universities, and technology companies generate a lot of employment. And what do you like the most?
Well, the truth, I think that the more important things in these games were the first incorporated for the corresponding Paralympic Games. From that moment on, the other cities did the same.
It's true. I have heard this news before. Isn't it true that your friend was the representative of the Paralympic Games?
Indeed, you have been informed well. My partner is called Petra, and she was the mascot of these games, and she represented with effort and friendship. On the other hand, what will they think of you?
Well, at the beginning of the Expo, the majority of the population didn't like it. They didn't see me related to Sevilla, except my name. But there was another great part that yes, they liked until they wanted to proclaim me as the official pet of Sevilla.
And about you, what did they think?
Let's see, because at the beginning the same thing happened to you. The speed they might The image of sympathetic this is transmitted. They sound warmly affected, to the point of becoming one of the most representative symbols of Barcelona. Focusing on why we are so important, how many countries participate in the Expo, and how many pavilions could you visit?
Well, in this expo, 1,012 countries participated. 17 pavilions from the 17 Spanish autonomous communities also participated, in addition to the Spanish pavilion. There were more than 100 pavilions, each of which had a different theme. Visiting a pavilion wasn't just entering a half of a pavilion, it was entering an experience.
Too bad. I couldn't visit them.
And in the case of Barcelona, how many countries participated in the Olympic Games?
Well, 169 different countries participate company in 22 sports and 257 specialties. In the end, Spain won 22 medals. Changing the subject, I have little time left to go, so I am going to ask you what I am most curious about. What important character visiting you at the Expo?
In short, the celebrities that most caught my attention were the 77 heads of the states and governments, and the 44 members of real houses. Some of these were Lady Di, Kings of Sweden, Fidel Castro. They all went through the exhibition. The truth is that I cannot complain. I wanted to ask you what was the most symbolic thing about the Olympic Games for you.
Without a doubt, the most symbolic was Barcelona, the official anthem of the Olympic Games. Barcelona, the lyrics and music were created by Freddie Mercury and Mike Moran. 65,000 million viewers were able to see his avant-garde film now.
I'm sorry, Kobe, but I have to go now. Thank you for all, and thank you for lost your time talking with me. I hope to see you soon, Kobe. Bye.
Bye!